Hi everyone, welcome back. I'm Rodrigo. Today we're playing Ultros. So we already did the good and bad the ending with the Suga of Brunzon, and now what I'm trying to do is to fight again with him. So I just talked with him normally, and then he asked me to show this, and now that's it. And then to make him fight, we need to go back. Here. And now let's warp. Here. And now the thing is, we have these plants there, but I don't want these plants. So let's make a test. Yeah, if I remove this, put here, and this one. Yes, I removed this too. So no more plants there. Yeah. So no plants here. Now we found here again. And he will down. And then he will impede us to go back. And now we fight with him. Let's see if it works. Because the last time I started to fight and then he saw the plants. Yeah, it worked. Yeah, so it's working. So thank you very much for watching. Hope you have enjoyed and see you next time. Bye bye.